Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, September 26th. Time is around 5:45 GMT and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 3 high here and that we are currently working on our wave 4. I believe this wave 4 is unfolding as a WXY pattern. So here we have our wave W, here we have our wave X, and then the target for our wave Y becomes this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. This is where we should go. Now, how does the path look like to go there? So actually, not much is changed since yesterday. I would say we are just sitting here a bit. What we do see now is that we are getting out of this downward cycle here, this downward RSI cycle. So that could mean, in case of a W XY here, that we start to see upside as our wave X. So if we take the length of the wave W, then we know that our wave X should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. Now, this can also unfold as an ABC correction here indicated in red, and that would mean that instead of turning up from here, that we could see one more low, and then in RSI that would mean that we have like a low but with divergence. So that would make this 5 waves down: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have an A, B, C instead of a W, X, Y. So now this is a bit the tricky part. Well, it's not that it is so crucial. I think like it could also be that like we have our 3, 4, and 5 here, or 5 is ongoing. So this could also be then we have a wave A here instead of a wave W. Like yesterday, I told you that we could make, this was yesterday, I think, yeah, indeed, yesterday, that we could make a marginal new low here in case in the WXY scenario, and so this actually also happened. So for now, I would still like to stick with the WXY scenario, and then this wave W looks like another WXY, and then here this wave Y is like an ABC. So what we have seen yesterday is just the internals of the wave C, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we see here more downside, then it would mean we have to switch to something like this here. Actually, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave A, and then we see upside as a wave B. Now, this is not some crucial adaptation, I believe. Then we just have to recalculate this area where we can go here, depending on the low that we get here. So depending on this low, we have to look again at this target area. But so the path stays the same. We do this as a WXY, or we do this as an A, B, C. So let's see what we get today. So I'm expecting an upside, a move to the upside. Can be preceded by another low in case of the ABC scenario. Then we need five waves here, and then it looks like the wave five is not complete yet. And yeah, we can actually also turn higher from here, as we see here on the 4 hour. We start to break out of this downward cycle. So in case of a WXY, that would favor more upside from here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye bye.